Multiplying by a factor. Unlocking mathematical magic. Hello, dear friends and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly useful concept in mathematics and everyday life. Multiplying by a factor. Whether you're solving complex equations or simply trying to figure out how much something has grown, understanding this phrase will open up a world of possibilities. So, let's demystify it together and make numbers work in our favor. Before we delve deeper, let's clarify what we mean by multiplying and a factor. Multiplying is a fundamental mathematical operation where we add a number to itself a certain number of times. For instance, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 by 3, means adding 2 3 times, which equals 6. A factor, in this context, refers to the number we are multiplying by. It acts as a multiplier that scales or adjusts the original number. Factors can be any number: whole numbers, fractions, or even decimals. When we say multiply by a factor, we're talking about taking a number and increasing or decreasing it according to the factor we're multiplying it by. This can apply to various scenarios, like calculating interest, scaling recipes, or adjusting measurements. For example, if a company grows by a factor of 2, it means its size or value doubles. If you have 100 shares in a company, and it grows by a factor of 2, you now have the equivalent of 200 shares in value. Conversely, if something decreases by a factor of 0.5, it's halved. So, if you had 10 apples and you eat them at a rate that decreases by a factor of 0.5 each day, you'd have 5 apples left after the first day. Let's look at some real-life examples to see multiplying by a factor in action. Adjusting recipes. If you're cooking and need to adjust a recipe for more people, you're using multiplication by a factor. If the original recipe is for 4 people, and you want to cook for 8, you multiply the ingredients by a factor of 2. Scaling designs. Architects and designers often scale their projects up or down. When creating a model at a 1/50 scale, they're reducing the actual size by a factor of 1/50th. Finance. Interest rates in banks also illustrate this concept. If you have $1,000 in a savings account with a 5% annual interest rate, your money grows by a factor of 1.05 every year. Understanding how to multiply by a factor is not just about doing math. It's about enhancing our ability to think, plan, and solve problems effectively in daily life. Whether you're budgeting, cooking, or planning, this simple yet powerful concept can be your guide to making informed decisions. We hope this video has illuminated the magic of numbers for you. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the power of mathematics enrich your life. See you in the next video.